Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating the cause. Unplug all external keyboards and USB devices because peripherals often create ghost presses. Next, restart and boot into BIOS or safe mode. This tells you if the problem is hardware versus software. While booting, press the affected key to see if it repeats. If it does in BIOS, it's physical. If not, proceed to the next steps. Also, do a quick visual check. Debris, crumbs, or sticky residue can make a key stick, so clear what you can safely access. Once you know it's not physical, you focus on software. Open Device Manager and update or uninstall the keyboard driver, then reboot so Windows reinstalls a clean driver. Next, go to Accessibility or Ease of Access settings, disable filter keys, adjust repeat delay, and test typing. Make sure no background utility remaps keys. Run a quick antivirus and anti-malware scan to rule out malicious input generators. If you use manufacturer keyboard software, reset it for final remediation. Carefully clean the key area with compressed air. If the laptop model supports it and the manufacturer guides show it's safe, remove the keycap to clear gunk. If cleaning fails, consider replacing the keyboard module or using an external USB keyboard as a practical workaround. If you still need confirmation, boot from a live Linux USB. If the key still auto-presses there, it's hardware. If nothing works, contact authorized service. And if they ask, mention the live USB test result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.